I was at my daughter's house a few weeks back, and I noticed that her pizza cutter was melted. So, being the wood turner that I am, I figure I had to make her a better one than she had, and plus make it out of some cool hardwoods. One of my goals this year is to use the spindle gouge more and get away from the easy wood tool rougher and medium gouges. So here I'm making one of my first attempts. After measuring, I'll transition back to the Robert Sorby half-inch spindle gouge. For these larger pieces, I think an addition of a large roughing gouge would be nice to have as well. You'll be able to hear some chatter as I use this piece. That's where I think that larger gouge will be very helpful. I could take a bigger cut and not have to slow down my feed rate. Just a quick check to see if that feels right in the hand. And back to that Robert Sorby spindle gouge to do some finishing cuts and smooth this out. Now to part off the end with the Easy Wood Tools Small Detailer. If you've made it this far and you've enjoyed what you've seen, I'd ask you to please like and subscribe. I appreciate it.